After Leo Carpazzi first recorded the Monster Mash in 1962, the label rewrote his lyrics, claiming the monster imagery was too graphic. Bobby Boris Pickett re-recorded the familiar version. This rarely seen music video features Carpazzi's original lyrics.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, his trousers dropped right to the floor. With his bottom bare, he ran to the door. I said, "Frankenstein, what's gotten into you?" He said, "My dick is hard and I need to screw."
He did the fuck.
He did the monster fuck.
The monster fuck.
It was a graveyard fuck.
He did the fuck.
That monster sucked and fucked.
He did the fuck.
He did the monster fuck. From my laboratory, I heard quite the racket. Deep in the castle, the vampires jacked it. The zombies all fucked in the graveyard grass. Wolfman wolfed down Frankenstein's
They did
ass.
the fuck.
They did the monster fuck.
The monster fuck.
It was a graveyard
They
fuck.
did the fuck.
Those monsters sucked and
They
fucked.
did the fuck.
They did the monster fuck. The beasts all fucked as the orgy spread. Bigfoot gave the headless horseman head. Swamp Thing jacked off in the castle moat, while Dracula gagged from the jizz in his throat. The fucking was wet, there was spooge like mad. Igor decided to fuck his own dad. The mummy let out a horny moan when Medusa's bare tits turned his dick to
They
stone.
did the fuck.
They did the monster fuck.
The monster fuck.
It was a graveyard
They did
fuck.
the fuck.
Those monsters sucked and
They
fucked.
did the fuck.
They did the monster fuck. But Frankenstein's bride was the biggest slut. Dracula got balls deep in her butt. She got titty fucked by a giant spider. Jizz made the streaks in her hair much whiter. She fucked every monster, come one, come all. Her 3 holes were filled like a bowling ball. And while monsters all fucked his undead bride, Frankenstein just jacked off and
Now you
cried.
should fuck.
Now you can monster
The
fuck
monster fuck.
and do the graveyard
The monster
fuck. Those monsters suck and they
Now you
fuck.
should fuck.
Now you can monster fuck.
Wow. Wow. Wow.